Hi everyone, and welcome to our IGCSE Computer Science lecture series. This first video is a series overview, so let's get into what this is all about. If you've ever wondered how a computer actually thinks, not just how to use one, but what's really happening inside, then this is the right place to start. My name is Blarina, and this is a complete video series covering every single topic in the Cambridge IGCSE Computer Science. There's going to be 150 videos and 10 topics. And as you can see on the page, whether you're an IGCSE student or you're studying independently or you just want to understand how computers work, then this series is built for you. You don't need any prior knowledge. We start from the very beginning. Now, this is everything that we're going to cover. The syllabus is split into 2 exam papers, and paper 1 on the left here is the theory side. There's going to be 6 topics covering how computers store data, how they work, how networks operate, and what's emerging in AI and robotics. Whereas paper 2 on the right, that's the problem-solving side. So there's going to be 4 topics covering how to design algorithms, write programs, work with databases, and understand logic circuits. Now, let me walk you through each topic very quickly. Now, topic number 1 is data representation. That is, everything in a computer is stored as binary. We learn how that works for numbers, text, images, and sound. Then there's topic number 2, which is data transmission. And that's how data travels from one device to another. We're going to cover packets, error detection, encryption, and so on. Then on to topic number 3, we have hardware. That's the physical machines. So we cover the CPU, how it executes instruction, memory, storage, input and output. Then on to topic number 4, this is software. So what's running on top of the hardware. And we'll cover operating systems, programming languages, how code gets translated, and so on. Topic number 5 is going to be about the internet and its uses. So it's going to cover how it actually works. We'll cover DNS, HTTP, cybersecurity threats, and newer things like the blockchain. Topic number 6 is going to be about automated and emerging tech. So we're going to cover things from robotics to AI to machine learning and everything in the future of the field. Then on to paper 2, we have algorithm design. That's the heart of computational thinking. We'll cover pseudocode, flowcharts, searching, sorting, trace tables, and so on. Then we have programming. So we'll cover variables, loops, conditions, arrays, functions, file handling, and such. We write pseudocode and link it to Python throughout. Topic number 9 is databases, so how to query data with SQL. And last but not least is Boolean logic. So there's logic gates and truth tables, which may sound unfamiliar at first, but they're very learnable. And that's it. So that's the entire map. That's what we're going to build. Now, before we dive with video 1, a quick word on how to use this series. I would suggest that you watch every video very actively. They're very short and focused, and if something doesn't click, just rewatch it. That's what it's there for. You need to also write along, and this is very important. You have to have a notepad open. Writing things down is one of the most effective ways to remember them. You don't need to copy everything, just the key ideas and diagrams. Now, when I work through an example, pause and try it yourself first. The moment of effort before you see the answer is where learning happens. And lastly, at the end of each topic, there's going to be a real exam question with full mark schemes. Don't skip those. They show you exactly what the examiner wants. And that's pretty much it. So video 1 is next. And the topic we're going to cover is why computers use binary. That's the foundation for almost everything else in this course. So let's get into it.